Fugro is the world's leading geodata specialist and operates around the world, often in remote locations and extreme weather conditions. Having access to remote locations in real time is key for delivering of faster and better solutions to our clients. One of our solutions that supports remote working is Remote Expert. Our proprietary software establishes a real-time video and audio connection between an on-site operator and office client or expert. The RealWear headset meets our work and safety requirements. It allows us to work safely in extreme offshore conditions. The VR Expert team offered great advice in choosing the right hardware and accessories. They also helped us validating our case with extensive testing. Remote Expert can be used by our clients for safety checks and fast decision making in the face of time-critical scenario. Remote Expert can also be used by off-site experts to provide advice and guidance to on-site operators. In the end, we purchased over 30 RealWear units, which were shipped all over the world. We are confident in our collaboration and looking forward to expanding business together in the future. From ship to shore or worksite to office, Remote Expert allows us to connect and unlock insights anywhere at any time.